Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off iPhone without the volume button. So, literally, if you want to turn off your iPhone, you need to press the side button and then the volume up button together just like this. And this is going to pop slide to power off. Now, if you want to power off your iPhone without pressing the volume up button, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this upon informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn off or shut down iPhone without volume up button, all you need to do is locate the side button and press it consecutively. So just keep pressing the side button. You should say slide to power off. You see that? So let's say this is where I am and I want to turn off my iPhone. You just need to locate the side button and press like 5 times. Then you should say slide to power off. However, in some cases, your iPhone will pop emergency SOS. So for you to use the side button to power off your iPhone without the volume up button, you just need to go ahead and disable SOS on your iPhone settings. So go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, locate and click on emergency SOS. Then disable all the features you have here, call with hold and release, call with 5 button presses. So once you have all of this disabled, when you want to shut down or turn off your iPhone, just press the side button alone for like 3 to 5 times. Instead of it to show the SOS emergency call page, then you can just say it's going to pop slide to power off. Then you can now go ahead, slide to power off your iPhone, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to turn off iPhone without the volume up button. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.